All right, so we just got in a new Springfield Hellcat with the Gearup package, and the 2024 Gearup package is pretty sweet. So let's open it up and check it out here. So we got our, it comes with a, oh, look at it, comes with a nice little Springfield Armory bag, pistol bag. And then inside of here is where we're gonna find, we got our magazines. So we got one, two, three. This gun comes with 4 17-round magazines. This is a Hellcat Pro, by the way. Comes with 4 17-round magazines and 1 15-round magazine, all in the Gearup package. And it also comes with this Viridian green dot sight. But then to the most important part, get the last thing out of the box here, which is the pistol itself. So this is a Springfield Hellcat Pro, optics ready, so it has the optic already. Springfield's throwing all that in. You get the gun, the 5 magazines, and the red dot, plus the bag, all included with it. So beautiful little gun. Springfield, the Hellcat is a beautiful gun. It's a great shooting gun. I have one myself. So again, that's the Springfield Hellcat Pro, optics ready with the 2024 Gearup package. A lot of Springfields are on are offering that Gearup package right now. So there you go. Thanks a lot.